guys, Alicia here, your close to my heart independent consultant, and I am here today with the Hello Pumpkin kit. I have already done the layouts, and some of the bonus projects in this kit are 2 cards. So I'm going to do the first card in this video, and then I have another video for the other card. I like to try to keep my videos as short as possible. So you do need to buy the stamp, at the very least the stamps, and then you can always fussy cut. But I got the stamps and thin cuts for this to make these cards. You need some sponges or daubers and those ink pads. So black, nectarine, and mint. And I've already pre-cut all of my pieces. I like to make my own little kits. I have some videos on making those, not for Hello Pumpkin, but for some of the other Workshop Your Way kits. I like to prep everything ahead of time. That way I can just sit down and make a bunch of cards all at once. I kind of batch my work together. So I've already stamped the pumpkins and I thin cut those out. But I have not stamped the sentiment yet, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have a rectangle piece of white daisy cardstock, and I'm going to stamp this little sentiment in black ink. And then you're going to see I'm going to banner cut the bottom of this piece, and I'm going to sponge the edges orange. It's pretty cute. There I am cleaning my stamp with the My Acrylics cleaning stuff. Oh, and this stamp set is adorable. It has these little stars, and there's even some thin cuts to go with the stars. And so that is great all year round, not just for Halloween. I think it'll be cute for Christmas. Tons of stuff. So here I am. I'm going to banner cut the bottom. And then you'll see I'm going to sponge the edges. And so Close to My Heart sells the sponges. They come round, and then I cut mine into wedges. So I think a sponge is like $150, $175, not very expensive. And then you can cut them up into little wedges, which I think are easier to hold. And so you can get a lot of little wedge sponges out of that one circle sponge. I'll have to do a video for you guys. And then I wash my sponges when I'm all done and reuse them for different colors. So I really like the sponge. I honestly don't have any daubers. I like the sponges, so I am going to have to get some daubers and try them. What if I find I like them better? Uh-oh. Just joking. I am going to try the daubers, but I haven't yet because the sponges are so awesome. So here I am just playing with the paper. You know, most of the paper is double-sided. Except for one of those was a Picture My Life card I cut up, so that one was not double-sided. But I'm just kind of playing with the different sides to see what the different looks are. I think I do. I am going to post a video later. I make the 2 cards, and then I do flip over some pages and make the exact same cards but with different papers so that you can see how just flipping your paper over changes the look of the card. I don't know if I'm making any sense. That's why I'm going to post a video. So these go pretty quickly once all of your pieces are cut. It doesn't take, and stamped, it doesn't take long to just glue everything down. That's why I like to get everything ready. If you batch all your work, if you have your cutter out, you can do all your cutting in one day, put everything into little baggies. And then one day you just sit and you tape and glue and stick things down. Really goes a lot faster. So I'm trying to slide that piece under that little orange strip. But I put a little too much tape, I think, on that orange strip. Oh, and here we are getting out those acrylic shapes. I love these acrylic shapes. Oh, washi tape first. But that little baggie there is full of black acrylic shapes, and there's stickers, so you can peel off the back. You don't have to try to deal with the glue or anything. I need to get more. They're just hearts and stars. That'd be good all year round. I really do need to get more, you guys. I'm in love with them. And I hated that piece. It wasn't long enough, so now I'm going to get another piece of tape, stick down my acrylic shape, and then this card is about done. So this kit makes 4 of these cards, and then 4 of the other cards. Adorable. So this card is just about done. I'm going to use some of the 3D foam pop dot things to pop up that pumpkin. And then that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.